Travis, and welcome to Razor Garage. Now today I'm going to do a real quick review on these STI OUT&BACK Max tires. I've had these on the Razor for a year now, and it gets a pretty quality tire. It's 8-ply construction. It's a pretty hard rubber compound. There's no give to them really. And they'll take you just about anywhere you want to go. You know, if you like to be the guy that goes through the mud while everybody else sits and watches, this is the tire for you. Stay this way a little further. This way. Give it L, you're on it now. But on the downside of things, they do ride a bit rough. But, you know, you have to have some kind of compromise. You know, if you want real good traction and you want to be able to go in the mud and wherever you need to go, you have to give up something. You know, I don't mind a little bit of a rough ride. But other than a rough ride, it's a great tire. No problems, no flats. And not to mention, they make your ride look pretty tough. When you see these coming down through the woods or up the trail at you, or just sitting in the garage looking at them, it's a real pretty tire. It's really mean. All in all, it's a good tire. It's I think they're well worth the money. And that's my 2 cents on the STI OUT&BACK Max tires. And I'm out.